we see different digital maturity stages, the entry level, as we call it, where the customer uses our portal as a bridge. They build a bilingual portal to standardize processes while preparing for full ITSM rollout. What they achieve with that is that they enabled centralization in markets still waiting for a full backend integration. Second stage, which we call the intermediate level, a large German healthcare provider used centralized inventory data to improve reporting and cost allocation. And that resulted in much more transparency and will support further digitization steps going forward in their own company. On the advanced level, a German airport streamlined its workflows, enabling internal teams, including employees with disabilities, to manage mobility directly. And we have seen a massively improved user experience whilst cutting our outsourcing costs. And in the last level, with the highest maturity, is an example of a full ITSM integration. So our client, which is a German tech conglomerate, integrated mobile connectivity management into its intranet. And the outcome was that thousands of employees self-manage mobility services with no fleet management overhead anymore.